What's up guys, I'm Yui. Today I'm gonna show you a property for rent for only $222 per month in Chiang Mai in Thailand. Chiang Mai is a chill city in the north of Thailand. Chiang Mai is known for being laid back, relaxed, having lots of night markets, cheap food and more. So today let's take a look at property for only $220 per month and what can you get for such a low price. So this apartment is located next to Maya shopping mall and it's one of the best locations in Chiang Mai. It takes 6 minutes from here to the Maya shopping mall, 10 minutes to Wat Lok and 15 minutes to Sunday night market by a moped. This area has many restaurants, night markets, local restaurants, shopping malls, sub-laundry services and more. There are many street food stores on every corner. The apartment is only $220 per month and is a studio. The apartment building is quite nice and clean. It also has a swimming pool, a gym and free parking with security guards. As you walk into the apartment building, there is a lobby with receptionists. The apartment is on the second floor and you go upstairs by lift or foot. You have to use a key card to go in and out. It's quite secure. As you can see here, this is a hallway. As you walk into the studio, there is a bathroom. It has a Western style toilet, a shower with hot water, a sink, and a mirror. It's basic but it's clean. They will clean the room before you move in anyway. It also has a king-size bed, desk, a big wardrobe, a smart TV, aircon, a fridge, a microwave, a sink, a table, and 2 chairs. The room is nice and it also has a balcony. The balcony is a bit small but it's quite good enough for hanging out clothes and has a good view too. The apartment only requires a 1-month deposit. So you will pay the first month rent plus a 1-month deposit. Before you leave, this apartment will come to check out the room and charge you a fee for cleaning it when you move out. It usually costs around $15 for the fee and you will get most of your money back. The electricity is 20 cents per unit and water is 85 cents per unit. Wi-Fi is free and super duper fast. It's fiber, so the speeds are very high and you can download movies in a second. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can comment below the video and I will help if I can. Thanks, bye!